Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we want to find the value of s from this given nice equation through s squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then before we solve this problem, let us solve this for better understanding. If you have s squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this using factorization method. Then here, this is the coefficient of s squared, which is 1. The coefficient of x here is 7 and the constant here is 12. We can call this A, this is B, and this is C. Now, let us look for two numbers so that the product will be equal to C and the sum will be equal to B. Then here, P can be written as, if you have 3 multiplied by 4, this is equal to 12. Now the sum can be written as, if you have 3 plus 4, this is equal to 7. Now if you now have 3x plus 4x, this is equal to 7x. The whole of this equation can be written as s squared. Let us replace this 7x by 3x plus 4x plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now here we have this and this, then this and this. S bracket s plus 3 plus 4 bracket s plus 3 is equal to 0. S plus 3 is common. Let us bring it out. S plus 3 bracket, this is x plus this 4 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s plus 3 is equal to 0, which is this. Therefore, s is equal to minus 3. This is the first value of s. And the second case is s plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to minus 4. This is the second value of s. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, the given equation is s squared plus 7s plus 12 is equal to 0. Let us check using either s1 here or s2 here, but let me make use of s1. If s is equal to minus 3, we have minus 3 square plus 7 bracket minus 3 plus 12 must be equal to 0. Minus 3 square, this is 9. Then plus 7 multiplied by minus 3, this is minus 21 plus 12 must be equal to 0. Here, this is 9 minus 21 plus 12 must be equal to 0. 9 minus 21, this is minus 12 plus 12 must be equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 12, this is 0, is equal to 0, which is true. You may also check if x is equal to minus 4. Now, let us solve the problem that we have now. To solve our main equation, we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the main equation that we want to solve. This is A, B, and then C. The coefficient of x squared here is 2. Then the coefficient of s is 3. The constant is minus 2. What we need to do first is to multiply this A by C. If you multiply A by C, that is 2 multiplied by minus 2. This is equal to minus 4. Now, the C now will be considered as minus 4. We look for two numbers so that the product will be equal to minus 4 and the sum will be equal to 3. Now here, if you have 4 multiplied by minus 1, this is equal to minus 4. Then if you have 4 minus 1, this is equal to 3. That is plus 3. Now the whole of this equation can be written as 2s squared plus 4x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, because this plus 3s is now being replaced by 4x minus x. Now here we have 2x bracket s plus 2 minus 1 bracket s plus 2 is equal to 0. S plus 2 is common. Let us bring it out. S plus 2 bracket this 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to minus 2. And the second case is 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. 2s is equal to 1. Then s is equal to 1 over 2. These are the values of x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. If x is equal to minus 2, this is 2 bracket minus 2 square plus 3 bracket minus 2 minus 2 must be equal to 0. This is 2 bracket minus 2 square, that is 4, plus 3 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 6, minus 2 must be equal to 0. Then 2 multiplied by 4, 8, minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8, must be equal to 0. 8 minus 8, 0 is equal to 0, which is true. Let us consider this. If s is equal to 1 over 2, we have 2s squared plus 3s minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 bracket 1 over 2 square plus 3 bracket 1 over 2 minus 2 must be equal to 0. This is 2 bracket 1 over 4 plus 3 over 2 minus 2 must be equal to 0. This is 2 multiplied by 1, 2 over 4 plus 3 over 2 minus 2 must be equal to 0. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 2. We have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 minus 2 must be equal to 0. This is like over 1. The LCM is 2. Then we have 1 plus 3 minus 1 into 2 times 2. That is 4 divided by 2 must be equal to 0. Then 1 plus 3, this is 4. 4 minus 4 divided by 2 must be equal to 0. 4 minus 4, this is 0 divided by 2 must be equal to 0. And of course, 0 divided by 2, this is 0, is equal to 0, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.